So what we've set up here is a long reach land system. We've got this type of gun here, so on the system itself it's going up straight, so the gun itself on that side. Stainless steel screw fittings, they can cope with the waffiness and the bendiness inside there, they're strong enough to cope. Now what we've got here is the insulated handle, it can be pulled backwards and forwards and turn from right to left, so it gives us that ability to change it round and alter it. This is a 2 metre piece of pipe. Now we have some customers, and what they have is they put two lengths of these on. What we've got is a 2 metre followed by a 1.2 metre. Screw fitting again in the middle, so that can be unscrewed out in that position there if you wanted to. Taken off and just use it. At the end of it, like normal, we've got the tight swivel elbow. So screw fitting again, this can be unscrewed off. Then got the tight swivel elbow, but what we've got there is the ability, if we wanted to unscrew that off, take that out, the quick release, and it means then you can put that into the top of there. Stainless steel again all the way around, and you can use your nozzles, VARIO nozzle, turbo nozzle, whatever you want to, into it. Put this back in place. This is a tight elbow, so you've got to get hold of it to turn it. It's very tight, so it means it's not going to start turning on you while you're using it. So you can set that on the angle that suits you. So if you're using it, lock it all off, and you can then put the turbo nozzle in. That can go into that position. So if we get hold of it, like I said before, the actual clamps itself, lock it off, pick it up, you can then work. With the gun being like this, it makes it far easier to hold than a normal gun. With going up, pull your trigger, let go. And like I say, put another 2 metres on top of there. Like I say, I have some customers that are going up 5 metres near as damn it with these on that side as they're working. This, like I say, can come up and down, it can be moved from right and left. And you just change your nozzle over as you want it to work. Threads into the bottom side of this gun are 3/8 female, so we can put quick release in, whatever suits you for your machine. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. It's stainless steel, so it means the pipes are a lot lighter weight than a steel pipe. Steel weighs a lot more, and also stainless steel can carry more pressure. Thank you very much, Q Services.